good old RVing. I'm Greg. This is the RV. Today, I'm going to look into what I need to fabricate to install the electrical for my cargo box that I'm going to be installing here. So this is part 3 of my cargo box install. So I have this 4-way round plug because the cargo box has lights on it. And I'm also using 14 gauge wire. So right now I'm looking where I need to go with the wire. So come join me with this. Okay, so literally I was thinking about taking the slide out and putting the wires in and then running this cable down through the bottom under here. But the other day I was looking and I saw where those wires are coming up through the bottom right there. And so I think what I'm gonna do is find a way to splice into them right here somewhere, and then run the cable along the frame right here. What I also want to do is I need to look at where I plan on mounting the plug. And so here's the plug right here. Okay, and so I'm thinking put a bracket right here, not too far away. Just make something and put it right here. And then I was thinking that might be far away, so maybe I'll run the cable and just mount the bracket right here closer to the receiver. I'm thinking this might be the better plan, because if you look from the bottom, I think there's enough room to where we could do that and get it done good. And so yeah, all I gotta do is get a metal an L bracket, drill a hole that'll fit right there. A couple 3/8 or 1/4 inch bolts, and actually it looks like you could use carriage bolts on this. So get a couple carriage bolts and take it from there. Okay, moving right along. Okay, now just deburr it. Just go with the big bit. These are the screws I plan on using right here. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is after we connect all the wires to the inside of the plug, then we feed the wire back through. Then when we get to this end, we got to orientate the screw hole to the bottom and the notch to the top. Then we take the screw that came with it and we simply put that screw back in. Okay, there's that. Now, make it watertight. To make it watertight, stick this over there. And slide that all the way up over the screw. Because it'll help hold the screw in as well. This heat shrink shrinks 3 times. It's smaller than its size, so hopefully this will work. Okay, so as you can see, this is some thick heat shrink tubing I'm putting on here to make it watertight. And also it's glue lined, adhesive lined, and so it's, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right in there, see the glue coming out. And also I put it over the screw to help that screw so it doesn't come out. Okay. Okay. Now the next step is going to be fastening it up to here and bringing the electrical around to hook up. A little bit like that. And then drill this way. This. There you go. Boom. Help it bend a little bit. Okay. Right here, looks good. Okay, so what we got here is taking this off. Okay, so what we got here are some clamps. So I'm just gonna open them up. So you want something that's gonna hold that wire tight, but not cut the insulation of the wire. So that's why I went with these. They have the rubber on them. So you can just clamp them up in there, around that. There you go. Also, because these screws, once you tighten them, they grip. And when they grip, they'll twist that. And so I also bought some flat washers. These are 1/4 inch. I don't know, they might be too big. Well, hopefully they'll fit. Yeah, come on. Open it up. There we go. Okay, good. They fit. Okay. So you go that onto a flat washer through the clamp, and I probably could have got 1/8 inch or 3 smaller clamps. Okay, and I want this to be like that. There. So you can see it's still kind of twisted a little bit, but not so bad. Okay, get the next one. Right here. That's gonna go like this. And then just the same procedure all the way through until I get to the end. Only a few of them. I regret having to say I'm not able to finish this video the way I wanted to. I'm going to have to pick it up later after I'm done healing. I ended up getting surgery in my hand and had to come to a stop. So with that in mind, I didn't want to leave you hanging, even though I know for the last couple of weeks or a few weeks I wasn't able to produce anything. But I'm going to try to finish this up by just explaining how the wires, what wires connect to what wires on my RV, and what I did to finish it up. And so first off, the red wire that you see right here, that red wire is going to connect to the yellow one for the left turn and brake signal. And then the blue wire connects to the green. The blue wire on the trailer wiring harness will connect to the green wire on the receptacle wiring harness for the right side. And that'll also be brake and turn signal. The white will be ground on both of them, and then the green on the trailer wiring harness will connect to the brown on the receptacle. And so this is the conclusion of how my wiring is going to end up going, and after my hand heals up, I will actually do the wiring and show you how I do it and everything, and finish up this segment. And so thanks for hanging in there. I appreciate it. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that's fine. I hope you all stay safe and safe travels. Bye.